Hello everyone, this is Adeline and today's video is about unboxing and review of the Zyia leggings and tank top that I just ordered. So if you are active, have a healthy lifestyle, this video is for you. This Zyia activewear is a new brand to me. I have never heard about it. My coworker introduced this to me. She told me that this brand is really good. It's just like a Lululemon or better. So she said, try it. I look at the website and it's so expensive. I told her I cannot afford it. So after a few months, she came back to me and she said, you have to try this. I will give you a discount. So okay, I said I'll try, and so I ordered it 3 days ago, and yesterday the package came, and so we are gonna open it and see and try it, and we'll find out. So here it is. The package came after 2 to 3 days, and let's see. So I ordered a leggings and a tank top, and here's the tank top. Very nice packaging. Good. It's white and it's medium. And then this one is the leggings. And it's a teal pocket light in tight high rise, and the size is 6 to 8. And this has a pocket on the side. Oh, both sides. Nice. That's good. That looks nice. So we're gonna put it on and I'll show it to you guys. Hello! So we are here in the park. Very comfortable. And I have a big stomach, but with this, it's like it makes my stomach smaller. I like it. And then the top, it's so comfortable even if it's so hot in Las Vegas. It's about 100 degrees. I feel like I'm not even in Las Vegas. So fabric is antimicrobial, meaning you don't smell. Even if you perspire, you're not gonna smell bad. So those who perspire, you better get this. This is a 4-way stretch fabric.
Push-ups.
Oh my god, this is so comfortable. So we've been to the park, now we're walking here in Red Rock, and I feel like I'm not wearing anything. So comfy. And the price for $65, this one, and then this one is $29. It's worth it. This is my favorites now. I love it.